Good afternoon. Video message for Stuart. Stuart, hi. Well, thank you for buying my beautiful little Solo 654. Hope you love the saw. Nice to hear from you again, and great to hear that the other saws are still performing and running okay. Right, let's show her running one last time before I box her up. So, choke on these is this little unusual lever. You probably know it anyway, but just probably 30 odd degrees to the left. Kill switch, throttle lock. So I've just put fuel in because I drained her. Choke off. Stuart, many thanks. Hope you love the saw. Hope she serves you well. She's just such a, well, so genuinely, that's the first time I ever cut with her, and she's just been hanging up, and the plastics are all, well, they're just in beautiful condition, and on shore I packed the 2 spare chains and the spare bar. Many thanks. Let me know how you get on. I hope you love using the saw. Bye for now.